Hello and welcome to this new video. In the previous video, we have integrated the player reports and sanctions service into our game using the features offered by the plugin for EOS OSS. In this video, we will integrate the player ticketing service into the game. This service allows the player to create a ticket regarding a bug or a problem encountered when playing this game. This service helps you improve your backend by taking advantage of player reviews. Like the reports and sanctions services, this service is independent of the online services provided by Unreal Engine, so each OSS has its own API that allows you to integrate this service into the game. Regarding EOS OSS, the plugin offers you this functionality. Go to your dev portal, then in the player ticketing section, it is in this dashboard that the tickets created by the players will be displayed. You can consult the documentation provided to learn how to implement this API. As indicated in the documentation, you must click on the Integrate APIs button to be able to use this service. Once clicked, you will be able to display the API key to use to interact with the API. This key will be requested by the task provided by the plugin. The plugin implements the endpoint allowing you to create tickets, so the part concerning the game client, there are other endpoints dedicated to the developer. It is up to you to implement them via external code if you wish to take advantage of them. To start, I want to add a tab in the navigation bar of the lobby widget. This tab will allow the player to create a ticket. You are free to do this implementation in the place that suits you. Duplicate a tab to add the player ticketing tab. Select the button to add the event on clicked. To create an EOS ticket, call the task Create EOS Player Ticket. You need to provide the API key to this task. An EOS ticket supports two types of subjects: an open question and a technical support. The message, the sender email, and the sender name to be provided by the player are mandatory. The other fields are optional. You have to create the widget that allows the player to fill this form as we did in the previous video. In this video, I want to show you the functionality by hard coding the fields. Copy the API key from the dev portal. I am testing with a technical support type subject. I guess the problem the player is experiencing is a game crash on Windows 11. I give a sender email and a sender name. The other parameters are optional. I still want to fill in a few. I display a message on the screen if the ticket is created and an error message otherwise. Launch a client for testing. You have to adjust the display by resizing the tabs. No big deal for now. Click on the Support tab. The ticket will be created. Go to the Dev portal. You should see the ticket created by the player. And there we have it. We have the ticket created by the player. We can clearly see the information he provided. We see that it is categorized in technical support. As a developer, you can answer and resolve the ticket. Try changing the subject to an open question. Then rerun the test. Create the new ticket. Here we have a new ticket categorized as an open question. We note that in the case of an open question, the optional fields are omitted. You can delete tickets as well as you can resolve them by changing their status. By default, a ticket created is in unanswered state. If the processing is in progress, you must put it in progress. Once resolved, you must put it in completed state. Finally, it depends on the strategy defined by you or your organization regarding the processing of tickets. That's all for this video. See you in the next one.